Dear students, good morning to you all. I, Dr. Gajendra Prasad Singh, Head and Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Jamnilal College, Hajipur, a constituent unit of BRA, Bihar University, Muzaffarpur. Today, I am going to discuss nomenclature of alcohols. There are two systems available for the nomenclature of alcohols. First is common system. It is also called trivial system. And the second is IUPAC system. In full, we can say International Union of Pure and Applied Chemists system. Now we come to the common system. For the nomenclature of monohydric alcohols, alcohol word is added to the alkyl group present in the molecule. That is, alkyl group plus alcohol gives us alkyl alcohol. For example, CH3OH. Here, alkyl is methyl and OH is alcohol. So, its name is methyl alcohol. In second example, CH3CH2OH, CH3CH2, that is C2H5, ethyl, and OH is alcohol. So, it is named as ethyl alcohol. In example number 3, CH3CH2CH2OH, here alkyl is propyl and OH is alcohol. So, it is named as propyl alcohol, or we can say N-propyl alcohol, that is normal propyl alcohol, etc. Now we come to the system second, that is very important system which is used all over the world, IUPAC system. As we have already said, I stands for international, U for union, P for pure, A for applied, C for chemists. That we can say it International Union of Pure and Applied Chemists system. According to this system, alcohols are named as alkanols. ALKANOLS. It means alcohols are supposed to be the derivative of alkanes. For assigning names, the longest continuous carbon chain is selected, in which OH group is included. हम हिंदी में इसे इस तरह से भी कह सकते हैं कि जिस कार्बन परमाणु से अल्कोहल ग्रुप OH जुड़ा है उसके लिए सतत सबसे लंबा चेन श्रृंखला चुना जाता है और ऑन दिस बेसिस द कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग अल्केन इज सर्च्ड, और हम उसके कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग अल्केन का चुनाव करते हैं। अल्केन के चुनाव के पश्चात अल्केन का ई हटा दिया जाता है और उसके जगह पर ओएल जोड़ दिया जाता है। दैट वी कैन से कि आफ्टर दिस ई ऑफ अल्केन इज सबट्रैक्टेड and OL is added. In short, we can write alkane minus E plus OL alkanol. Finally, the position of alcohol group is added after all. अंत में हम ये अल्कोहल ग्रुप के बाद उसका अंक जोड़ देते हैं। फाइनली द पोजीशन, किस स्थान पर, किस कार्बन परमाणु से वह OH ग्रुप जुड़ा है वह स्थान जोड़ देते हैं और उस यौगिक का नाम हम पूरा कर लेते हैं। वी कैन से after this E from alkane is subtracted and OL, that means all, is added, and finally the position of OH group is added after all. This can be explained very easily by giving the different examples. First, we consider the example number 1, that is CH3OH. CH3, it has one carbon atom, so its corresponding alkane is methane, and E from methane is subtracted and all is added to give methanol. So CH3OH will be named as methanol. Similar is the case with the CH2OH, that is named as ethanol. Similar is the case with CH2OH. Here also the total number of carbon atom is 3. Total number of carbon atoms is 3. So corresponding alkane is propane. E is removed from propane, and as OH is linked with first carbon atom, so it can be named as propanol 1. Now we consider the third example, CH3(2)CHOH. Here the total number of carbon atoms attached is 3 and OH group is attached with the carbon number 2. So its name is given as propanol 2 or propane 2-ol. Similar is the case with the compound CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. It is known as butanol 1. Now we come to the sixth example, that is CH3(2)CH2OH. Here one methyl group is attached with the carbon number 2. The carbon atom through which OH group is attached is counted as first. So the total number of longest chain, we can say the total number of carbon atoms is the 4, but the longest chain, the longest continuous chain of 3 carbon atoms only. So the corresponding alkane is propane, and here we see that CS3 group is linked with carbon number 2. So this compound is named as 2-methyl propanol 1, or we can say 2-methyl propane 1-ol. Now we come to the next example. CS3, CH2, CHOH, CS3. We here see that OH group from the right hand side, we see that from the right hand side carbon atom OH group is attached with the carbon number 2, and the longest chain, longest continuous chain of carbon, that is of 4 carbon atoms. So corresponding alkene is butane, and E from butane is subtracted, and the position of OH linked with the carbon is 2. So it is named as butanol 2 or butane 2-ol. Similar is the case with the another example, that is CS3(3)COH. Here we see that hydroxy group, that is alcoholic group OH group is attached with a carbon number 2, and also a methyl group is attached with the same carbon. So here we can give the name 2-methyl propanol 2 or 2-methyl propane 2-ol. There are several examples. So it is about the nomenclature of alcohols. This is everything about the nomenclature of alcohols. Thank you.